Hey everybody, it's Eric from the Mature Minded Gamers Group. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help me keep growing the community and making these videos for you guys. Let's get to this really quick. If you've done a Windows update or some kind of a Windows migration and you have a Windows.old folder here that can be very large in size, mine is 6.2 gigs, I believe. It can vary depending on the upgrade that you did and different things like that. But anyways, I've been trying to get permissions to allow me to delete it, and I can't get it deleted even though I'm an admin. I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to get this done and free up this file space. I do want to say make sure that you don't want these files anymore, that you're not going to go to a recovery. So make sure you're done with them, and make sure you know what you're doing here. So what you need to do is go to whatever drive that this folder is located on. Probably for most of you it's going to be your C drive. And then you want to right click on it, scroll down to properties. You're going to go to disk cleanup right here. And then it's going to pop up this box here. It could take a little bit of time. You're going to hit this button, clean up system files next. And this is going to load another little window. It's going to calculate and run this little thing. You can see right there, it stopped mine where it says scanning previous Windows installations. You're probably going to see that because that's probably obviously the files that you're trying to delete too. Alright, when that pops up, it should be another window, and then on this one, you want to scroll down to the bottom almost, and you'll see where it says previous Windows installation taking up 6.25 gigabytes. So you want to put a check mark there and hit OK, and that is going to delete these files for you. And it could take a second depending on how big they are. And that is how you can get rid of an old Windows.old folder that is taking up space on your drive. Again, make sure you know what you're doing before you delete that you're not going to need it. Most people probably aren't, but just in case, be careful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help us keep growing and making these videos, and have yourself a great day.